Welcome to the Conceptual Algebra 2 class introduction video. The purpose of this video is to get you acquainted with where you need to go online to access the class materials and to kind of just show you some of the basics of how the online class is going to work. So, pay attention, this will be short and sweet. One of my recommendations is that you go to the JHS homepage website and go through the BPS login link. That will take you to this page where you type in your username and password. And once you do that from the BPS login page, it will take you to this page. And this is where all the different systems that you would need to be logged into are located. And once you log in, you are logged into everything that's in green. So like you're logged into the hub, you're logged into Infinite Campus for grades, and where we're going to spend our time, where our class information is located, is in Canvas, which is right here in the middle. Okay, but using that Bloomington login gets you logged into all of these different systems at one time. So I would start there. In fact, I would bookmark that page. That's a great place to start. But once you go into Canvas, which is what I want you to do later, you'll see all the classes that are in Canvas. Teachers have a choice of doing their classes in Canvas or in Google Classroom. So any teacher using Canvas, there'll be a card that looks like this. You just click on it, Conceptual Algebra 2, and that'll take you to our course in Canvas. And once you get there, the home page will look like this. So there's a homework icon, there's a calculator icon, and there's a Google Meet icon. Those are actually live links that will take you to different places. The homework icon will take you to what are called the modules, and that's where the homework is located. And the modules are just drop-down menus, basically. And we'll have a module for every week, and I'll show you that in a little bit. The calculator icon, that if you click on that, it takes you to an old MCA test. But if you hit start twice when they pop up, and then across the top of the screen you would see a little calculator icon. If you click it, you get this like a fully functional graphing calculator that'll be on your computer. Unfortunately, you have to go through that process every time you want to use it, so like to open the tab, but you can feel free to use that. I have also attached a calculator to every single homework assignment online that will pop up on your screen if you want it to, and you could use that as well. So it's just another option. The Google Meet icon on the right, will take you to information about our Google Meet place. So I'll give you a link to our to class meetings, and then we're going to do a little bit of group work once in a while, and the groups will be there too, and links will be there. So that Google Meet is where you'd go if we have a class meeting. On the home page, there's also what to do if you get stuck, and you can probably read that. But there's notes you can watch, video notes. There's a video help button on every problem in your homework that you can, if you have trouble on a specific problem, you can hit the button and it'll show you a short video and give you some pointers. There's a document button on your homework that I'll show you in a little bit, or actually I'll show you on Thursday or Friday, and that will open up some resources as well. You can Google the topic and find other resources or videos on the topic. All the topics that we cover in this class have a ton of resources online already from other teachers across the country and around the world, where you could look at their version of a lesson that's similar. You can ask a classmate for help. Obviously, you could call them, email, text, do a Google Meet, etc. You can email me. If you click on Mr. Lang that's highlighted, that will take you to a direct email where you can just type in your question and send it to me. So feel free to email me anytime. I will answer as quickly as I can. Even 9 o'clock at night, you could shoot me an email if you're working on it, and if I happen to see it, I will try to answer you. There's a calendar at the bottom. And this part's not accurate right now because they pushed us back a couple weeks. But there's a calendar at the bottom that you can just see kind of what we're supposed to be doing each day. And that's linked to the hub as well. But when we're looking for stuff, we can go to the modules, and that'll really help. So when you go to class on a typical day, you're going to go to Canvas and click on the home page, and then you're going to click on the homework button, okay, which will take you to the modules, and this is what the modules look like. And each of these is a drop-down menu, so if you click on any one of them, it opens up the week, and I will turn on probably the whole course right away. So you'll be able to see every module for every week in the whole trimester. But if you click on one of those, like I clicked on week 1 to open it up here, these are the 4 homework assignments in week 1. And they say 10 points, but it might only be 4 questions. The 10 points is just every assignment is worth the same amount. But if you click on one of those, it'll take you to the actual homework assignment. So this is where you're pretty much going to live. Is you're going to go to the home page, click on homework. It'll take you to these modules. Click on the week that we're on, and there's your 4 tasks for the week. If you do all 4 of them on Monday, you would just be done with the required work for the week. Or if you did like 2 on Monday and 2 on Tuesday, you'd be done for the week. Or you could do them, 1 a day. Do 1 on Monday, 1 on Tuesday. Wednesday is kind of a help day, and then Thursday and Friday would be the other 2 assignments. Okay. All of those are you're only expected to work, 15 minutes a day, and maybe watch a 5-minute video if it's a new lesson. So it's designed to, not take all day to do this. Okay. So on Thursday of this week, we'll be having our first Google meeting in class during the appropriate time on the schedule, which for you guys will be 9 o'clock. That'll be Thursday morning. To access that meeting, you could click on the Google Meet icon on our Canvas homepage for Conceptual Algebra 2, and just follow the links and join the meeting at 9. I hope to see you there, and I think it's going to be a great year. We're spent a lot of time getting our class ready and getting it very user-friendly, so I think you'll have a great experience. I will see you Thursday.